This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 3805. It is in like new condition. Mileage is under 200. The chassis is a new 2021 Ford E450 with 158-inch wheelbase. It is 2-wheel drive. The engine is a V8 gas, 7.3 liters. The overall length is 22 feet 9 inches, 273 inches. Overall height is 106 inches. Headroom is 72 inches. It is a P&L custom body module. It has new paint, new rotary latches, new paddle latches, new gaskets, new wheel and siren and speakers, new wheel and LEDs. It has a new trip light inverter and charger. It also has a new HVAC system. It is a new 2021 Ford E450 with 158-inch wheelbase. Engine is a V8 gasoline, 7.3 liters. The body configuration is left forward storage. It has adjustable shelves. Number 2 is a spacious compartment. Also could be fitted with a shelf if desired. L number 3 is oxygen storage. It has a Zico oxygen lift with tethered control to lower and raise. The load height is 31.5 inches without cargo. You'll notice also it has new rub rails, repainted fenderettes, new corner guards, all new diamond plate, and new diamond plate on the rear bumper. The flip-up step recesses to allow closer and easier access to the module for cot loading. Interior configuration is left side antenna seat with forward and aft action areas. Storage behind and above. Power distribution quarters is behind the attendant seat. It is a Type 3 walk-through configuration. It has a new console, new switch panel, new siren, new voltmeter and ammeter, storage for beverages, place to install radios, and also document storage. Right front compartment is inside-outside ALS access, locking doors, and also a locking tray in the center. Storage above the squad bench. It also has a unique feature with a remote action panel on the squad bench side. Body side window, storage also beneath the squad bench, place for a trash bin as well. The curbside skirt line is lowered for easier and safer ingress and egress. Also has a right rear backboard compartment for a longboard storage, adjustable shelf. It also has storage adjacent to the longboard. Right front compartment has inside-outside access and also a battery storage compartment. There's one battery under hood and one in the slide-out tray. If you have questions or would like more information on truck number 3805, please call 1-833-REMOUNT, REMOUNT, or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.